The P000A diagnostic trouble code indicates a slow or unresponsive A camshaft position on bank 1 in vehicles equipped with variable valve timing systems. Bank 1 refers to the engine side containing cylinder 1, typically the driver's side in most vehicle layouts. The A designation usually indicates the intake camshaft in the variable valve timing system. This means the camshaft position isn't changing as quickly as the engine control module expects it to, leading to potential performance issues in internal combustion engine vehicles. Ultimately, the P000A code signals timing discrepancies between the camshaft and crankshaft positions, which can cause various drivability problems. When the P000A code appears, you'll likely notice symptoms such as rough idling, reduced engine power, poor acceleration, and an illuminated check engine light. These symptoms arise from incorrect camshaft timing impacting engine efficiency. Note that these symptoms may vary based on the vehicle and the severity of the issue, so proper diagnosis is important. Several factors can trigger a P000A code. The most common include faulty camshaft position sensors or wiring, low oil pressure or oil sludge buildup preventing proper VVT operation, malfunctioning camshaft phasers, ECM software issues, and timing chain stretch in high-mileage vehicles. Begin diagnostics by scanning the vehicle's computer for the P000A code and any related codes using an OBD2 scanner. Check the engine oil level using the dipstick and inspect its condition for signs of sludge or contamination. Visually inspect the camshaft position sensor and its wiring harness for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. These initial diagnostic steps can help narrow down the source of the P000A code issue. Advanced diagnostic procedures begin when initial checks fail to identify the issue. Use an oscilloscope or multimeter to test the camshaft position sensor's signal. Compare the signal to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure accuracy. Perform a manual inspection of timing components and camshaft phaser operation. Advancements in scan tools incorporate AI to predict P000A occurrences, reducing repair guesswork. If a faulty camshaft position sensor is causing the P0A code, replacement is necessary. Choose an OEM quality sensor or a reputable aftermarket brand to ensure proper fit and performance. For damaged wiring issues, properly repair using correct splicing techniques and ensure good insulation to prevent future electrical problems. After completing the repair, clear the diagnostic code from the vehicle's computer and perform a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Oil sludge buildup is a common cause of slow camshaft response. If sludge is present in the engine, perform an engine flush using a suitable cleaner to remove deposits and restore proper oil flow. After flushing, replace the oil and filter. Use the correct oil viscosity for your vehicle, typically specified in the owner's manual, to ensure proper engine lubrication and prevent future sludge formation. If low oil pressure is suspected as a cause of the camshaft timing issue, investigate the oil pump for wear or damage. A failing pump can reduce pressure and affect camshaft actuator performance. Consider using approved oil additives to help clean and maintain the engine. These can aid in preventing future sludge buildup and maintaining optimal oil pressure for camshaft operation.